everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soroya, and it has been raining. We had a good amount of rain, but it has stopped. So I'm going to take some things from the garden, and today was Heritage Day for us. So I'm a bit tired with all the work that we had to do today, but come along with us to see what we're going to harvest. So we're harvesting some goods from our own backyard garden, free food. So let's go. All right, so we're in our raspberry patch that's in the container, and daily we have to be harvesting from them. But as you notice, some of the leaves are being scorched, so the high temperatures. So we have a plan for that. We're in the process of getting a shade cloth for the greenhouse, so that will take care of it. So hopefully, it will help somewhat. When the fruits are through producing, when the tree is through producing, I'm going to cut back most of the leaves and then let it spring up back with some fresh leaves. And then come next year, it should be producing again. All right, this one is not looking too bad. So this is one of our biggest ones. So many things to do, guys. So many things to do because we have our worm bin here, and I need to remove some of the worms and put them in the bed, but and get also the worm casting from it. But the time is limited. So many things to do, and not enough time to manage everything. But we'll take it one day at a time. Thank God we have a midterm break so that we can do some work during the short break. And as you notice, some of the leaves or some of the fruits are being damaged or they're drying up. So I'm not sure. Probably it's the heat again, the high temperatures, and also some of the fruits. Not all fruits will be viable, I'm guessing. All right. So, but we have been taking fruits from it on a daily basis. So we're grateful for that. All right, guys. So look at this. This is a very lovely bowl of raspberries. So we have been eating from it, not so much per every day, but I've been picking from it daily and storing it. So this is what we have so far, and we're blessed. We're extremely blessed, and we're also grateful for God for this. All right, so we have a cucumber plant here, and there's some fruits on it, and this one is big enough to be picked. And this is a patio cucumber, so it's a very compact plant. Alright, taking this pineapple. So this is our last one, and this one that we grew on our own, and this was about almost 2 years, I think. So we're taking it now. Guys, this smells so good. Pity is so small, but we're grateful. Smell it, guys, smell it. Smells so good. All right, so we have raspberries, we have pineapple. Let's see what else we can get from the garden today, October 16, 2024. All right, guys, taking some sweet peppers. Guys, the stink bugs are giving us some problems. They're all over the place, and they're mass producing. So as soon as you take them off, they do come back. Right? And the stink bugs are causing some of these things on the sweet pepper. And this one was starting to turn color. And this one was also turning color. We're getting quite a number of sweet peppers here. Alright guys, so as soon as these buds grow a bit bigger and we harvest the fruits, so there are quite a number of buds, and I'm gonna cut back the plant so it can get some cut back the plant so we have fresher leaves and more sweet peppers will be produced. As you can see here, new leaves are going towards the base of the tree. This one is not doing so well, so I'm taking off this leaf. So as soon as I cut it back, it will spring up new leaves, and then the production starts over again. So keeping the tree alive for a longer period of time so that we can get more fruits. Alright, so this is one more. As soon as I'm through harvesting, I'm going to go around and put additional support on the pepper trees because of the rains and the winds. They are bowing, so I don't want to lose these fruits. Like example, these fruits up here, as you can see them, I don't want the plant to break. So as soon as I'm through harvesting, I'll be attending to the plants that need to be trellised. Alright guys, so this is a blessing in a basket, as the name suggests, or channel name suggests. Blessings from the garden. Indeed, this is a blessing from the garden. So we have pineapple, raspberries, sweet peppers, and a cucumber. God is so awesome. He's so amazing. Just from a little seed, and you get these fruits. That is the goodness of God. So it also shows how powerful and mighty He is. Just from a seed and produce all these fruits. Alright, so this is an encouragement for you to start your own garden from just one little container. So do start a garden one container at a time. And I'm telling you that we need to plant more stuff because our garden is a bit empty. Some of the beds are empty. We do have a lot of empty beds. So we really need to get cracking. But again, the time is against us. But now the temperature, the season is changing a bit, just a little bit. So we have a lot of work to do, but time is beating us. But we have to make some time to plant out some of our brassicas and some lettuce seeds that need to be planted. All right. So again, we'll see you in the next one, and do take care for now. See you pretty soon. Bye bye. Oh, and thank you for watching the video. We appreciate you, and to our loyal subscribers and to our new subscribers, we do appreciate you. So see you in the next one. Share, share, share.